how to block a website from a router. This is connected with the article that I wrote in ulingshirel.com. As I said here, I wrote here, I have two approach. The first approach is to block it on your computer. By the way, the website that we're going to block are porn site, game site, adult site, and sites that you don't want. So to do that, first is to block it in your computer, at which I have the manual here. You could, this is the guide for you to do that. And of course, the second one is to block it on a router, in which I'm going to show it to you how. So the router that we're going to use is a UE HG521. If you live in the Philippines, this is issued by Globe Telecoms, a broadband, a telephone. So it is issued by Globe Telecoms. Now, to block a website from a router, of course, we need to access the router. And to do that, we need to know the IP address. To get the IP address of the router, click Start. Under the search button, type CMD. That's command. Now we're in the DOS prompt, and in the DOS prompt, type ipconfig. There you go. So as you can see, go directly to your default gateway. For that is, the numbers that you're seeing on that default gateway, this one, that's 192.168.254.254 is the IP address of my router. In your case, it might be different. So, to access it, go to a browser and type 192.168.254.254. And of course, I am now on the, as you can see in the screen, I am now on the dashboard of the HG521 UE router. I click setup button and I am asked for a username and password. Okay, for this one you could contact the UE for this one, the default username and password, or Globe in the Philippines, or Globe, you could contact Globe. But what is normally the default that the Globe is using is user, then user. Username is user and the password is user. Click login. Now you're in the router. Click on the advanced button beside. As you can see, that one under the wireless. Click advanced and click security management. Here we go. Now in the security management, we will see a URL filtering radio button. Click that one. Once click, this is where you could now type a certain website that you don't want others to access it in your network. So, to try it, let me access YouTube. As of now, since I didn't block YouTube, I still could access YouTube, right? Now, let's try to block it. Let's close this one and block YouTube. I'll type the URL here. The priority is 1 and the status is reject. Now, I'm going to block it. I click submit and there. It says here, the status is reject and the YouTube is blocked. So, let's try to see if it works. Now, let's try to access YouTube again. It is trying to access YouTube, but since our router is rejecting it, so definitely we could not access a YouTube site. And that's how to block a website from a certain router. I mean, from this kind of router, UE HG521. Sorry for that. So it's still not accessing it. Oh, there you go. Connection was reset. Meaning to say, the connection, the router is rejecting that web address that we're trying to access. It's because we have configured it to block it. Now to remove the block website, all you have to do is click remove button and you just have unblocked the website. Now let's try again to access YouTube. And there you go. We could access it. Now, thank you for watching. Of course, there are a lot of things to discuss over here because a lot of sites are not going to work on this, like the Yahoo. Unfortunately, Yahoo or Facebook are not working for this system. But I could, on my next video, I could elaborate more in blocking website. I could even tell how to block all the porn sites from your computer. So if you have suggestions, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Now, if I missed something, comment below. Thank you. Click the image now. Click the image now. Click the image now.